talkative. Because a person who is more talkative, he has questions for every point that you will discuss. See, being a curious is not a problem, but being a over curious is always a problem. Like, say, if I'm explaining that segmentation is something, ma'am, why only segmentation comes first? Why not targeting come first? Who have prepared this? And handling such kind of curious students is always a challenging. See, sometimes we need to have, it's like in marketing, I believe that we have to come in the shoes of children to understand their psychology. I cannot teach them by my brain. I cannot teach them कि जैसे मैंने पढ़ा था वो philosophy, वही same चीज मुझे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ानी है. I have to come down in their shoes. समझो भाई, बैठो, ऐसे ही बात करेंगे, ऐसे ही समझेंगे. That is the crux of teaching, what I believe in my career.